Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. We are back with part 2 of our Michael grab bags unboxing here. So yesterday I showed my first box, and so we are going to look at our next box here. Let me pull this aside. Let's open it up and see what is in here. So if you missed the first one, I'll put the link at the end of this video. Let's see what's in here. Alright guys, let me pull the first item here. And we have some of these family themed stickers, and this will be perfect again for scrapbooking. It looks like we have multiples of that same one, so definitely going to share that with some crafty friends. Number 4, and this is cool. This is going to my sister. She loves to play poker and she's really good at it, so I'm going to give that to her. We have a firefighter 3D themed sticker, super cool. Some Air Force stickers. I'm going to mail this to my friend Leonie. Her husband is a veteran and served in the Air Force, so I think she'll love that. She loves to scrapbook. And more stickers. That'll be perfect for scrapbooking. We have the Mombi sticks here. And family, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness, if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know I am a big fan of adorable foxes. So we have our woodland creatures. I rarely see badgers on stickers, and this is awesome. I usually see raccoons, but that is so cool. We have the baby girl stickers, really cute. Sisterly love stickers from Recollections. Love the cookies and milk stickers there. Next one here is by Sticky Picks, and they're clear stickers. My mom is gonna love this. I'm gonna mail this to her and make her little mini album with the kids and some of our fun times. I think that will be awesome. Next, whoa, we have a lot of stickers. We have our movie night stickers, always fun. Oh, I love this. What is this? They look like film strips. I was trying to figure out if it was a sticker. They are stickers. That's cool. That is super cool. Going to definitely use that. We have the Navy, and I know someone whose dad used to serve in the Navy. So I'm going to be probably sending this to Joanne's. Her mom loves to scrapbook as well, so maybe she'll want to make something with that. We'll see. Oh, butterflies. I love that. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. Amazing. A 5-piece spellbinder. I've never... In the past, if you've seen my grab bags, I'm a paper crafter, and most of the ones that I've gotten have Christmas items. The last one had 4 cow canvases in, etc. And if you want to see that and see what we did with it, but this is the first time that I'm getting a lot that's related to my hobby for crafting, so I'm super happy. And this is gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this out. It's a wreath, and we got some cute floral stickers. Some beer time stickers. A beautiful K & Company Happy Mother's Day. Oh, I love this. These are, let me show you here. We have our cute little llamas here. Super adorable. Wow. More of these fun stickers. I'm definitely going to gift this to my daughter Emmy's teacher. They look like they have nice little phrases like "you did it," "nice job." And then we have some family small talk stickers here. That's perfect again for scrapbooking. Put that there. Wow. Life's a beach. It's missing the A, but that's okay. We can always replace that. This is so cute. Definitely going to add that again. Another Happy Mother's Day. Super cool. I'm going to have to group these. This said it would come with a pendant, but that is not there. We'll see if it fell in the box. More to share, family. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness, I love these washi tapes. They are super, super cute. And this is by Margaret Yang, Once More with Love. Super adorable. I love these. I'm so amazed to see them in a grab bag. I mean, these I think would sell out quickly. And then we have her beautiful stickers. How dreamy is this? It reminds me so much of Sanrio with the ribbon and the way the gold looks. And then we have Plan My Life. How cute. And more of this cute stickers. Love that. And oh, I love this. Again, happy birthday stickers. So putting this in one of my other friends that's going to be having a birthday sometime soon. So that'll go again in their box. And more of these adorable washi. I just love this. So cute. We have these breast cancer ribbon stickers. They're so pretty. Love that. And got some guitar 3D stickers. I'll be mailing this to my mom. She likes that. More of these. Oh, is it the same style? It is, yes. So we have 3 of those. Trying to go a little quicker here. And then here's another one. Saluting our American heroes and veterans. And then we have coffee time. Oh, I'm gonna give this to my sister. She loves coffee. This will be cute. Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Or I might give it to my friend Kat. She loves coffee too. So I'm gonna add that to her stash. And let's see here. Boy, mom. Okay. That's cute. I might give this to Joanne. She has a sister that has a son. She might want it. I'll ask her. But that's super cute. And then we have the sister love. Love that. I'm going to share that as well. Now we got the army. Super cool. More of these family ones. Anyone want mustache stickers? And let's see what else we have here. Oh my goodness. I know which snail mail friend to send this to. Perfect for scrapbooking. And look at this beautiful wood veneer 6-piece set here. Again, the focus here is family, so I'm excited to use that. That's so pretty. Let's see what else we have in here. More of our military stickers, dimensional stickers. Oh my goodness. Now we got the friends. I will definitely give this to my daughter Emmy. And we got butterflies to share. More of these cute ones. I think my older daughter will like this style better. That is so cute. Make you laugh a little louder, smile a little brighter, live a little better. That's so true. Right guys, I pulled the camera back a little bit just to show you just how much we bought so far. And this is over $5 easily. Like one of these items, like the stamps or one of the washi would be $5 and that paid for the box. So this is amazing. So let's see what else we have here. There is more. Look at this, more of the movie sticker. We have a 105 stickers for baby. And it looks like you can use this for a baby girl, so... Oh, it's for a boy only, so that's sunflower. That's so cute. And then, oh, how cute. We have another one of these Sticky Picks grandma stickers. I'm probably going to send this to my friend Joanne. Her mom might like that. Some stickos. Wow, they included some of these clear stamps from Hampton Art. How pretty. I love that silhouette. Look. Beautiful flowers. How cool. And then we have more of these friend sentiment stickers that are fun to send out. Got, oopsie, more of these stickers. Oh, more of grandma. That's cute. My mom will love that. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. More stamps. This is so cool. Glitter is always an option. That is so cute and glamorous. Love this one. It says happily ever after. Oh my goodness. We have a fishing sticker. Super cute. More of our family stickers. How cool. More. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. Butterflies. A bachelorette party. Definitely gonna share that probably with my cousins. The ones that are single still for their future bachelorette. And then we have Jolie's Boutique. And this is definitely going to my daughter's teacher stash. That's so cute. Oh wow. Beautiful. Again, more of these wonderful stickers, dimensional stickers, and I love these. Are adorable planner plushie, puffy stickers. Trying to go as fast as we can. This is our family stickers. Oh my gosh, we have a box. Check it out, guys. Yay, we have more of the Steam Powered Kids Crystal Garden. Oh my gosh, including that for my kids' goodie bags for her birthday. So that's full. It looks like we have another one of those boxes. That is cool. So those retail, from my previous box I saw, it was like $19.99. Oh, here we go. It claims to retail at $19.99. So here's one, but this time these are solar system string lights, and these were $19.99, and they had it on clearance for $2.10. So we have that. Oh my goodness. More of these, which is awesome. I have enough to give to my daughter's friends, which is cool, and some for her. And then we have more of the solar ones. But then there's more, it looks like. We have these, whoa, fun for July 4th stickers, some glittery recollection alpha stickers here. Always fun to use. We have these, the monocle, and all these fun stickers here. I see more alpha stickers, and these come really handy for the kids' projects and even for scrapbooking. Like my daughter Emmy loves to create little layouts, so I think this will be fun. This is Mambi Sticks, and it is a complete set. Nothing wrong with that. And oh my goodness, more stickers, guys. We have beautiful, oh my goodness, this is a set, so we are sharing these for sure. Look at this. It says quantity. There are 6 in here. Wow. Sharing with my crafty friends. So we have those. And wow, look at this. Amazing. More of these guys. And this is cute. So it looks like sticky notes. Oh my goodness, how adorable is that? I love this brand. And again, this is by the same one here, Margaret Ying. Super cool, super cute. And then she has these 2 sets of journals. We have the soft-spoken daughter. I see more stickers. Oh my goodness. And I love this. Oh, this is perfect to go in the planner. This is Sweet Kawaii design. How adorable. That is so cool. These are too cute. I'm gonna give this to my daughter Lil. She is gonna love using this in her planner. Super cute. So we have that. More of these. We have these. They're so cute. More of our stars and guitar. Beautiful vintage looking family, like dimensional sticker. Love these cute little pearl looking alpha stickers there. And then we have this beautiful tribute to our soldiers, and then more of these. Oh, how fun. I'm definitely sharing this with my friends. They're gonna love this. Yeah, super cute. So we have these. Too bad I don't know what these retail for. Comment below if you know, but I know at least $5 or $3.99. And then we have more of these. Adorable. I'm just happy I finally got a box that had paper. I usually get a box that doesn't have any paper or has minimal, but feeling really blessed and happy that I got some of these. Yeah, and a lot to share again with my crafty friends. And yes, this is the one, Want in a Million, and I love her stuff. And this is by Cynthia Koo. I love her her notebooks, and these are adorable planner stickers. Definitely gonna use that. And it looks like we have one more item in the box. We have this wonderful journal set. Super kawaii. Oh my gosh, what a great deal. Here's another look at what we got in that $5 Michaels grab bag. Super happy finally got paper this time. Again, thank you for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.